Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samrin and today we are starting an exciting series on AI. In this video, I am sharing my learnings from the Introduction to AI course by HP Life, explained in my own words with my handwritten notes. So if you are here, a beginner, and want to understand AI in a simple and clear way, you are in the right place. So let's begin. What exactly artificial intelligence is? AI or artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. It's used in things like Google search, YouTube recommendations, voice assistants like Alexa, self driving cars, and even chatbots. You can see here I have written some intro about this AI. They have given a beautiful insight that is from Alan Turing. A computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human into believing that it was a human. That was he was the father of AI who was said this. That was a beautiful insight. AI is not magic. It's logic plus data plus algorithms. It's all about that. And let's deeply dive into this my notes. So, the overview of this course is how can AI help me navigate our rapidly changing technological landscape and how help me prepare for the future of AI and work, develop a basic understanding of AI and learn how is it transforming economics, study, education, industries and everyday life. In this course, you will learn about key aspects of AI, concepts and their applications including machine learning, generative AI, large language models, the important role data plays in AI, implementing AI tools into business and workflows, AI ethics, regulations, and legal considerations, emerging trends in AI also. This course has jointly developed by HP and UniDo. Before we go any deeper into AI about AI applications, what do we even mean when we talk about AI? AI is no longer just a cool scientific concept, but a complex and evolving area of study. It's a multidisciplinary field that brings today computer science, maths, psychology, neuroscience, linguists, and many more other areas. Specifically, AI refers to the simulation of specific human cognitive capabilities, as I have mentioned here. These machines are programmed and managed by humans to perform complex tasks. Think of it like giving a computer a brain that's really good at a specific thing, like recognizing your voice, playing chess, driving a car, or recommending a movie you might like. But a quick note of AI caution is in recent years, AI has become a buzzword attached to a wide range of products and services, often more as a marketing tool. Instead of a genuine technological feature, this trend can create confusion, which is why that's it's so important to discern between truly innovative AI driven solutions and simple hype designed to capitalize on terms population popularity. Now, AI is a huge umbrella terms that covers a lot of fascinating subfields. Let's break it down a bit. First, we have machine learning, that is this thing, and where machines learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed to perform a specific function. Next up is deep learning, that is DL, which is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to mimic the way our brain works. And then there's an NLP, that is natural language processing. This helps machines understand and interact with human language. Don't worry if you're feeling a bit confused. AI is broad field and like a house. It has areas like unique functions that build up and support one another. In this course, we'll explore each of these basic concepts in detail. We'll see how machine learning helps in pattern recognition, how deep learning powers voice assistance, how NLPs translates languages and understands text, and much more. Understanding AI and its impact empowers you to navigate our rapidly changing technological landscape. It helps you contribute meaningfully to your organizations and prepares you for the future of work. By the end of this course, you should hopefully have a solid grip of these basics and be ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI. Let's get started.